Today we will tour 1110 North Gull Haven Court in Gilbert, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Gilbert, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Gilbert. Welcome to this spacious single-level 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home, offering 1,936 square feet of living space. This home is located in the sought-after Val Vista Lakes community. The property features an open floor plan designed for functionality and comfort. The kitchen offers a U-shaped design with a breakfast bar, perfect for casual dining or entertaining. And the living areas are bright and airy, with plenty of natural light and vaulted ceilings enhancing the sense of space. Here we have a powder room that's very convenient for guests. And here is the spacious internal laundry, equipped with a washer and dryer for added convenience. The home also includes a 3-car garage for ample parking and storage. Here we have a beautifully designed bathroom, a space where elegance meets functionality. Enjoy the modern amenities and thoughtful touches that create a relaxing and inviting atmosphere for all to enjoy. As you can see, the 2 additional bedrooms provide flexibility for guests, family, or a home office. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. The primary bedroom includes an en-suite bathroom with dual sinks, as well as a walk-in closet. And finally, here we have the gorgeous private pool and lush backyard that's perfect for entertaining. Don't let this incredible home pass you by. Schedule a tour today.